I don't think the biggest problem creators have anymore is making videos. I think it's everything that happens before the video is finished: writing the script, generating visuals, recording, editing, exporting, fixing mistakes, and somehow the entire day disappears. That's exactly why I wanted to compare Supercool AI and HeyGen. Not to find the better AI, but to answer a question I think most creators actually care about. Which one gives me more time back? Here's something I caught myself doing while comparing them. I stopped looking at the final videos and started watching the clock instead. Because let's be honest, if one tool creates a video that's 5% better but takes twice as long, is it really helping? If you're running a business, posting on YouTube every week, or managing content for clients, time is usually more expensive than software. Supercool AI felt like the tool I'd open when I already had an idea and wanted to bring it to life as quickly as possible. The workflow kept me moving. I wasn't spending much time wondering what to do next, and that matters more than people realize. When you're publishing consistently, every minute you save can be spent planning the next piece of content instead of sitting in front of another loading screen. HeyGen made me think about production differently. If your content revolves around AI presenters, training videos, product demos, multilingual marketing, or business communication, it's solving a different problem altogether. Instead of replacing your creativity, it's reducing the time you'd normally spend recording yourself, setting up cameras, or filming the same presentation multiple times. For some businesses, that's a much bigger time saver than generating AI scenes. About halfway through, I realized I was asking the wrong question. Instead of wondering which platform had more features, I asked myself something much simpler. If a client called right now with an urgent project, which tool would help me deliver before the deadline? The answer wasn't the same every time. It depended entirely on the type of video I needed to create. And that's why I don't think one tool completely replaces the other. So if you're trying to choose between them, I'd forget the marketing for a minute. Think about where your production time actually disappears. If you're spending hours creating visual scenes, Supercool AI probably makes more sense. If you're spending hours recording presenters or explaining things on camera, HeyGen could save you far more time. The best AI isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that removes the biggest bottleneck from your workflow. Now, I want to ask you something. If you could automate one part of your video production forever, what would it be? Comment below and let me know. I'm genuinely curious to see where creators are losing the most time because I have a feeling everyone's answer will be different.